Hey everybody, I want to just go through a quick install of Clean Panels and setup with our new setup guide and magic button. All right, folks, here we go. So we're going to grab your file, install it. All right, awesome. So we're going to go down to our preferences. We're going to see our new guide that I'll step through, help us go through setup. Go ahead and have a category there, tutorial. We're going to go ahead and add a couple items to it. Awesome. Okay, you're going to see that. Okay, what you're going to see now is our magic setup. If I click this, it's going to create categories the best it can with your existing add-ons. Okay, let's exit out. As you can see now of all these categories that were created under our filtering. Okay, and these basically were grabbed from our online database. And let's go ahead and we have a new option called batch assign. So you can come through and add them through here. So then we're going to see, let me hop out here and show you. Now you're going to notice if it's turned on or off, this little filter icon here. Go ahead and turn it on. You can see how it cleans up everything. And here's our categories. You can hit shift, add categories there. You can see our focus panel here. Okay, focus panel is going to be activated there. Then we have this option to create categories from our existing for focus panel. So they were all created, and I'll show you how those work. So you can now see all these categories that were created, and then you can go through and they're all there. Okay. All right, folks. If you have any questions, please hit up our Discord. Thank you so much.